What's up, tutorialers? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken Xbox 360. The first thing you do is click the on button. Now this usually troubleshoots all of your issues because this is the way you turn on the console and this is the way it works for me. So what I usually like to do is, oh there we go, it turns on. Now yours might not work because mine turn off. Mine's an HP monitor. Yours could be a different one like a Samsung or Corsair. Now the way that this could be an issue is that HDMI cable could not be connected. So you got to check your HDCI connection on the computer and check out your headphones first because it could not work. Now, if you can't input on the console in any way, I recommend using a controller. Now, the way this controller works is you plug it in. It's always kind of hard to find. There we go. So it's working now. Like you can see, it's connecting, and that's the green light. So that means it works. That's basically how you fix an Xbox that's broken. What is it doing? There we go. That's Mr. Dr. Pibb Donuts. That's signing off.